Hey everybody, welcome back. And so we have something a little bit weird here happening. So Consumer Cellular uses AT&T. That's no secret. So I decided I wanted to run a speed test by just specifically connecting to LTE, and this is the first speed test that I ran. And as you can see, it's LTE at the top. I went ahead in settings and made sure that I had LTE as the preferred connection. So if you see, we get about 333 megabits per second on the downlink. We get about averaging 10 megabits per second on the uplink. And the ping is at 58. So, it's a little weird. But when, I go and check on Cell Mapper, it still shows that it's connected to N77. It's interesting. So, as it's going in and out, um, I'll just wait here to see if it drops to LTE as the connection. And so I'll go back into my network settings and just show you guys preferred method or preferred network type LTE. So, all right, let's kind of try this again and let's see if we get something different. So let's go back here. Now it's showing connected to band 66. So we'll run a speed test again. And here we go. So with this speed test, it's popping up. So we're getting close to 300, roughly, averaging about like 250 on the downlink. Um, Slow climb, but it's making its way up there. Very close, 312, so 313. This time the uplink got a little bit better, so we're now at about an 18.3. So it's getting slightly better. And all right, this result ends at 313 by 18.1. And again, we're on LTE, we're not on 5G connection. But here it goes again. It switches back over to N77, even though the preferred method is LTE. So, all right, let's go ahead and put it back to 5G, which is recommended. And we're going to do a speed test here, but let's just make sure it's still showing N77 connection on AT&T. Let's go ahead and do a speed test. And here we go. It's connected to a different server now. Now it's connected to Sparklight. And very similar. I mean, it goes up to 300, it dips below, hitting below 200, slowly climbing back up. This is interesting. I wonder if no matter what happens, it is forced on N77. No matter what, does the preferred network type actually make a difference? 299 by 27.9. And the ping is about the same as the previous ones on LTE, with about a 58 to 60 on the ping. And on 5G, it's about the same. Okay, let's close this out and run one again and see what we get. And again, kind of anywhere between 250, so it dips below 200 and it starts to slowly climb back up. This is the weirdest thing. Um, yeah, very weird. Uplink 2028, roughly almost 30. So 282 on the down and 228.4 on the up. It's crazy.